Good afternoon, everyone. This is your simple and fun family. Today I make the iron, everyone. One basket again, everyone. Iron, everyone. Yeah, iron today. Hi, just go, everybody. Everybody, let's go. I have to do it, everyone. Guys, I have to do it, guys. Nobody will do it. Just only me. Apuya. So tired, everyone. Yeah. Pero, go lang tayo, everybody. Hi, simple and fun family, everybody, everyone. Subscribe, everyone, please. Like and share, subscribe, please, to my YouTube channel. Today, I like to go there with the scooter with me. But the problem is, I have to do my job in the house. Nobody will do it, just only me. Oh my God. Hi, just go, God. Life is life. Yeah, go. First, I make everyone is the sack. Yeah. The sock, guys. After the socks is the brief, the panty. The small first, I have to do it, yeah. The rest is the slowly but surely, everyone. Slowly but surely, yeah. I cannot go out now today, everybody. Everyone, I cannot go out because my son is 3 o'clock and my daughter is come home also, yeah. No K, no more Yahweh. No more K, my son. When every Monday, everyone is, my son will go home a little bit earlier. And my daughter as well because he doesn't have religion on Tirik today. Every Monday na ta religion, yeah. Catholic, but the teacher for Catholic is uh have a problem, yeah. The problem is the TL have na I don't know what happened of in her pot, yeah. Her pot has like that, but like that, yeah. Actually, that's why she has a little bit scratches. But I don't know when she is okay. Is in this time is not yet okay. All the children with Catholic will be absent today because the teacher is have a probs, yeah. Hi everybody. Ay, everybody. Ay, laban lang Lisa sa buhay. Nanay, laban. Dako na itong bukto na everyone ba? It's like sa Brahman, sa Lisa ya. Saon mataan ni always always and always. Always and forever ya. If I do not make the iron everyone, who wanna make? Nobody will make it. Just only Lisa. The Lisa is today is Maritis. Maritis, blah, blah, blah. Ay, Diyos ko, God help me. I will always, God, Lord. You are the one who give me a lot of energy, Lord. Yeah, power. Power give, Lord, to Lisa. No power, Lisa. No more, no good. Always, I need a power, yeah. I'm finished eating lunch, everyone. I hope you are finished eating dinner. I know in the Philippines, I think it's in the afternoon in the Philippines, I think, or maybe in the evening now. Ahead in the Philippines is ahead 6 hours, yeah. Kumbati si Lisa, everyone. Samahan niyo po ako, everyone. We will make it, everyone. Tingnan niyo po kung ano kung ginagawa ko dito, everybody. Oh, everybody. Ay, everybody. Always do it, yeah. Do it. Who wanna do it? Nobody will do it. Just only Lisa. Ah! Eh, Mo smile mataan bisag kapoy ilihok everyone. You have to be a smile for your that the hair is not getting white. Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Help me, Lord. Always, Lord, help me. So tired, everyone. After 18 Milans, everybody, I brush my teeth, everybody. I will brush my teeth. Ini tawon, everyone, kay Adidas, mo pilit, ang kuan iniinit, mo pilit. Makapot, this one, everyone, ya. Gusta. Dili ni siya, tawon piloon rin eh. Sports, ako anak na, sports. Sports na, ano, clothes, ya. My daughter. Think it's not on guys. So sometimes Lisa is always talking it's not on. Paita. Back to serious Lisa, back to number one. It's not on. I'm always in talking, it's not in on. Ah, it's not on. Oh my god. What will happen of Lisa? It's getting old. Getting old everyone. Pasensya na po everyone. I'm so sorry. Because I'm not a perfect everybody. I have a mistake everyone. I will be accept that. Nobody is perfecto in this world. Just only the above is the perfect. Yeah. Tuo na po na itong ilong ano kay magsigir dungo sa Lisa. Mutuo na po ni. Mutuo na po ni nose ni Lisa ani kay magsigir dungo. Oh. It's okay ra og buto everyone kay dai usa ka pack nga tissue. Syaro. Syaro makahuro si Lisa na buyag lang ang simbako eh. Sang buo krayos ana eh. One. Ay, Diyos ko God. Iron again. Today 2 times I make also 2 times the washing laundry. It's not good everyone if I don't make iron. I have to do it because the washing machine is very strong. Ikumot-kumot ang the clothes is I have to make iron yeah. Mine only I have to select. Not all mine I have to make iron no. I have to select only mine yeah. Mine I have to select yeah. Not all. Ay, kapuya, lihog everyone ay so tired ay. So tired. It's nice to sleep but ay, smile lang si Lisa na sa pag sleep. Daytime sleep ka high blood ta. My and everyone is the sardines. My ulam is the sardines yeah. Fried fish. Fried fish my sardines or fried fish yeah. Crispy kay everyone kay pagod-pagod mo Lisa kuto-kuto jud. Kuto-kuto jud crispy ya. Very crispy ya. It's better the fish than the flesh, the carne. The fish is for me it's better fish ya. Fish. I like always fish ya. Oh, ay. Problem there is no more ocean here, only mountain. Mountain only we have here, no more ocean. That is the problem yeah. All is frozen here. I buy in the store, everyone frozen yeah. But sometimes everyone there is a fresh there is the fresh yeah. They will put yeah. Sometimes there is the fresh yeah. Sometimes only yeah. Sometimes it's not in frozen yeah. Fresh. That is the best yeah. Ay, ginoo ko. Sao ba ako pagpa I cannot drive my scooter today. I think everyone. Maybe tomorrow everyone. Because I make iron yeah. Make iron. I have to make empty the basket because the basket is for the laundry again. Yeah, for the laundry. I have 2 basket only. One in the underground because I was to the laundry. Yeah. I hope naka-on siya. Okay, sometimes ma-off ba ni siya? Sometimes ma-off ya. I don't know that is getting off ya. That because that you needs to charge ya. Need to charge battery. My husband said, "Are you have to charge always ya long time." Yeah, I said, "Yeah, I charge more that, but I quick only." Yeah, that is the service result. Yeah, getting cut off. You cannot see bye bye. Sa mana? Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Oh my God. Life. Hi, everybody. Sometimes I make iron here. Sometimes I make iron to my room. Here is the room of my daughter. Yeah. Sometimes there and sometimes here. It's depend where I will like. Yeah. Kay kapuya, nagkapuya. I've been tired, everyone. Oy, I have to carry all the clothes there to the other side. I'm tired, yeah. Bitter, I make iron here. I arrange na direct there later, yeah. Because it's very tired, oy, to carry the heavy basket. Heavy basket, heavy things, yeah. Getting more and more big, shoulder, yeah. The shoulder is getting more big. If you have always carrying of the heavy things, yeah. Mabrahman Lisa ni. Brahman girl na Lisa since before pa when I born. Brahman has already I carry the 1 gallon of water mabual. Yeah, not only 1 gallon. Many kinds of gallon I will carry. Yeah. Imagine 2 times a day or 3 times a day I get water in Malbual. We don't have water in our house if I do not get. Imagine. Very sacrifice Lisa is before yeah, when I was single, yeah. When I was a little bit small, yeah, elementary like that. The shoulder, Brahma Lisa, big, big. Kay ang so many things to do, so many arbeitin, so many work. I mean, arbeitin is work. So many work in the house, yeah. Diyos ko. So okay lang, laban na tayo, everyone. That is my life, everyone. You can see now what I am doing here. This one, yeah. Ay, sauce, Diyos ko. Iron, cleaning, cooking, all. Later, all the plant I have to give water, yeah. But my husband will help, everyone. Very quick, only finish. My husband will help with me, yeah. And my son today help with me because at 3 o'clock he is here now. I start to make a plant watering in the 6 o'clock because in the 4 o'clock is still the sun very strong. Otherwise, my plant is kaput. Mamatay akong tanom basta strong kaayo ang sun when you make a water, yeah. When you give water. So it's much more better in the evening, yeah. But you can start in 4 o'clock if there is a shadow. But when it's direct in the sun, the plant goes kaput, yeah, goes patay. If you give water very hot, you have to be wait until is the sun is not so strong, yeah. Cause that is the water in the front of our house. In the front of my house, the water is for free. You can give water, yeah. You can get water there for free only there, everyone. Water in the front of the house. I make it this one snail, everyone. I have to make it chak, yeah. Pass, I make it pass because my daughter classmate will like to come here with my daughter. She like to come with my daughter here. Little bit playing, yeah. My daughter said, "Ma, it's okay, Ma, she will come here." I said, "Yeah, why not? No problem, yeah." You can play. That is a style for everyone, yeah. If the children feel boring, they make playing, yeah, playing with classmates, yeah. I hope everybody will be okay there over there. I am okay, everyone. Many things to do, everyone. Guys, so many things to do, guys, yeah. And my life, it's my life, yeah. Jan Bunjubi, yeah. Kapo, everyone. Oh, like it's very nice to sleep, everyone. Very nice, yeah. Ay, very nice. I have a big room now. I'm very happy now. We need only TV. TV only we need, yeah. I said to my husband, we have to wait, yeah. He said, we buy TV sets because it's nice movie every evening. We have to look TV with movie before we sleep, yeah. Because I cannot sleep direct, everyone. I look, I'm playing my cell phone, playing, yeah. Before I sleep or TV patrol looking, yeah. News, news sa Pinas, yeah. I'm looking before I sleep. I cannot sleep because in the evening it's like a daytime, everyone. It's not dark outside, everyone. Very bright. It's like in the daytime, in the evening when it's summertime. I said to my husband, I have to close the window. Yeah, not all. I close only, everyone, half, only half. Not all, because I cannot sleep because it's very it's not dark. It's not dark outside. Very bright. It's like a daytime in the evening. But in the summer, very nice, everyone. You can sit down in the terrace, everyone. In the terrace, yeah. I said to my husband, you have to come home direct because we make the table outside, yeah. We make it ready. Yeah. Maybe my son can help me later because my husband today has termin. Son asked my husband today, I think it's Friday. It's not in the Friday. It's not together with me. No. Monday, 5 o'clock. The termin my husband, 5 o'clock Monday. Yeah. Only not maybe 6:30 or maybe it's finished 7. I don't know. I don't know. He said to me, siya, I go na San Art direct. Dentist. Dentist, my husband, Reinigong, yeah. Reinigong means cleaning teeth, yeah. He has a terminal of the teeth, yeah. Hi. Excuses, everyone. So good po by na. My nose is when I like that always agore. So good po ka. Muto na po ni. Ay. Ay, Diyos ko God. So tired, everyone, yeah. The problem if I go very hot, everyone, I use like this. Agoy the sun. Like my skin, yeah. I like to cut makay. I like to cut scratch, yeah. I like to scratch. Eh, very katul, yeah. I have to take care of the sun, yeah. My body, I mean, is not direct in the sun. I have I have a problem. The sun here, everyone, yeah. Very dry. My skin here is not to wait. Very dry. Here is different. It's no more ocean here, mountain only, yeah. That's why it's very dry my skin, yeah. Very big difference if you have ocean on the only mountain is very dry, is very truknit or dry your skin. It's not wet, it's not basa. I have a problem. That's why I have to take care because last time, so here, it's like a lechon my skin. It's like a lechon. Katula noon. Very scratch yeah. Very katula. Because my doctor said You need a lotion for giginsahan ya. Special lotion ya. Lotion with cortisone everyone. My God, strong na everyone with cortisone ya. And then the doctor said, you have a nice skin. The sun will loves you. Likes to your skin. Loves you ya. Ay, Diyos ko. Lakir ba akong doktor ya. Gapantin lang ko gabra. Hubo na almost tanan. Ibang kong trabahoan eh. I'm shy. My husband will come ya. Panty bra lang yung gapabilin. Kaya i-check up all body ya. Check up. My goodness God. Because you have a nice skin, the sun will loves you. I said, the sun will hit me. I said, because the sun will be hit me. That's why I'm here. He give me the receipt for I go to the boutique kaya the pharmacy for the lotion ya. The sun will like me, my God. The sun will hit me because you have a nice skin. The doctor said. Makapot, maguba naman yung atong skin and everyone the sun will hate with me. That's why I go always in the shadow everyone kay I have to take care. In the Philippines I don't have problem in the skin no. Cause there is wet, there is the basa akong body but here is dry. That's why I like to scratch ya. Here is dry. Very dry skin here, dry ya. I will always love you man eh. I will always love you. Ay! Ay, Diyos ko, yan Bon Jovi. I will always love you. Yeah. Salad na po to everyone. Eating grass po bread and bread and bread and the grass. The salt is the grass. I said to my husband today, she had to eat about grass. How what? That is not grass, hoy, salad. I will say grass that oida. Always I eating every day gisun dia. Every day for a good health, everyone that is good yeah. I prepare for later everyone guys salad and bread and sausage. He said to me sausage yeah. Because I said I have a dorade. My son doesn't like fish yeah, that is the problem yeah. Beh, sao man na. Sausage mama. Swiss style sausage mama, sausage. Doesn't like fish yeah. Ay. Pero anak, my daughters, no problem. Just only I have problem my son. My son is a little bit Swiss, yeah. A little bit. They will eat seafood, small only. My daughter, no problem. The same with me. The same with me. Just only I have a problem. My son, he is good. He born good, very special. Everyone. My son, he born very special. Yeah. He is 5 months and 2 weeks. He born everyone. Very small, guys. Yeah. Sacrifice Lisa 3 months in hospital, everyone. 3 months, yeah. Just ko, my life is not easy. Always crying, Lisa, crying, yeah. Just ko. Small man. Every day I am there just every day because I put here inside. That he is getting warm. He is getting init ba. Kay, sayo mga natao. Kaliwat na mo everyone. 7 months is already children of mothers is born already in the natawo in 7 months yeah. Very quick yeah. I have to pray. I hope my sister is normal born here daughter yeah. I hope yeah. I'm very happy if I can see her baby yeah. Excited yeah. But I do not go sa there everyone because my husband said we have 1 month free, but he needs to relax. My husband says we don't have to go because he needs to relax. We are disturbing there. It's okay naman, my sister is okay. Needs a power, yeah. Otherwise, we are disturbing if we visit, yeah. I said, not yet na lang, yeah. Needs to relax that. Imagine, yeah, we are there. Nobody will. It's okay because I know how to cook. I know all, but it's that we have to be a respect, yeah. Respect. I said, next time na lang, Jud, if she have a power na kasi after and the deliver baby is no power, oy. The husband para will give foods, oy. Especially soap, yeah, kay the baby will take milk, yeah. Then you have a lot of milk. Yes, the same with me, everyone. My husband 1 month no more work cause I cannot I cannot move body very pain my body, yeah. Cesarean I have. Cesarean, all of my kids is cesarean, yeah. Very pain. It's very pain, everyone, cesarean, oy. That's why it's enough na for me to kay sus when stress wa na 50-50 na tong kinabuhi na, oy. Ina na pwede, oy. Mag-take care na yun. Ina na pwede. Number 3, cesarean again. Agoray, kasakita. Tahion imong tiyan, sus, Ginoo kung saon na lang, oy. Dili na pwede. Mao na akong giingon sa Ginoo, sakto na jud Lord kay pares na akong mga anak. Okay na, pero enough na para nako, ya. Enough naman. My husband says enough na, ya. We're getting old, ya. Getting old na, I said, ya. I said, it's enough na kay it's not good too much, oy. It's not easy, everyone, oy. If you are cesarean, it's not easy. It's not easy. Very pain. Then you are long time in the hospital. 3 months I am in the hospital, yeah, until my son is okay. I do not bring home when he is not okay. Kay musta po niya nang inhale ana, ginhawa. We don't have oxygen here in the house. There in the hospital, doctor said 100% now is okay. Kay when it's not 100%, I do not go home. 100% now is okay. You can go home now, yeah. Then I'm very happy, yeah. Very thankful for God that my son is survive, yeah. 20% only my son is okay. And me is 50-50, yeah. 50%. 50% because I have my head is like a fire, yeah. My fever is like a very hot. Very hot. The machine is always tut, yeah. Emergency always, yeah. We are in the intensive station, yeah. My son and me. Nobody can go inside family, no. Only my husband, yeah. Only my husband. Intensive station I am. Grabe. Ang pagsubok sa buhay. Grabe ang sacrifice ni Lisa. The sacrifice with me is you cannot pay. Nobody can pay in my sacrifice in the hospital. Nobody. Because that's how many million that 3 months you are in the hospital. We cannot afford. Maayo gani kay naami insurance ko tanan. Siya, wala pa insurance. We cannot afford it, everyone. Maayo yun nga naa kay insurance kay mga hospital. Covered insurance man hospital, ya. Insurance bahala tanan. Ilahan naman ang problema. Kay every month ba tagabayad insurance. So ug naa tay problema, ilahan ang problema sila na anak kay among insurance perting mahal na among insurance, oy namong upat. Per person, ya, mahal. Per 2 year, ya. Expensive. Expensive, everyone, ya. Ay, kaya laban sa buhay. For the kiddos, for the family. Laban po tayo. We have family in the Philippines also, yeah. All over, yeah, I have family. I think. Kaya tayong lahat ay we have to take care each other kaya we do not know. Very quick, Stas. Very quick. We do not know. We don't know, yeah. We don't know. Oh my God. Is this him, the husband of my friend? Oh, I don't know. She doesn't contact with me. She was here. She's crying. She told me she doesn't have husband now. She is now single, yeah. I said, what? Patay na raw. My God. We do not know. We do not know. We go pa that in the Philippines last year. When we go back, the doctor said it's stage 4 already, the cancer, yeah. Imagine, they cannot operate, no. Complicated already, yeah. Complicated. We do not know. Because he is already retired, everyone. Like to live in the Philippines. He like to live. No, we do not know, my God. So, very quick, the life, yeah. It's too short. That's why we have to take care, yeah. We have to take care. Take care each other, everybody. Kay. Yes, only the Lord knows everyone. Guys, only the above is a knows, yeah. That's why we have to take care and always pray that He will guide us every day, every time, every minute, yeah. Always you're asking for the God for every day that thank you for the sleeping. I have a nice sleep. Good morning. You have to give your sign of cross 3 times. Yeah, thank you. I have a good sleep. Yeah. Always you have above you that. Always for the God. Yeah. Kaya if you do not do that way before you sleep and you wake up, you have a bad dreams. Yeah. Bad dreams that you hear. Bad dreams. That's why you have to be careful, take care always, and don't forget to pray from the above. Guide us every day. Always guide you, that guide. We do not know. My God. That's only my history, everyone, ha, not all. That is only my part, yeah. The part of Lisa, only this one, everybody, ha, everyone. That is my part only. It's not your part. Every people's, every family is not the same, everyone. It's not the same, guys. Problems is uh different problems. Different, everyone, different, yeah. It's not all the same, no. Big different, yeah. Kaya mga dato, wala man na sila yung mga probs, everyone. Tingala na sila mga probs, pero baliwa, man na nila, kaya makaya Manila. Pero kitang mga pobre, may luoy. Di man na ito makaya itong problema. Mao na nga, sampit ito sa abab. Para tabangan taniya ba. Oh. You have to be thankful every day. Every day, thank you, Lord. Thank you for a good day. Thank you for a good sleep. Thank you for all. And please guide me every day, not only me, to my whole family. Yeah. Guide us always, yeah. Like that. You will go. You will go without we have to do it, yeah. We have to take thinking, yeah, what is good or not, yeah. Ay, that is the style of Lisa, yeah. We do not compare to the others, guys. Everybody is different and everyone different, yeah. Different roles, yeah. My roles is like this, everyone only like this. I have a simple only, everyone, simple and fun family I have. That's why I put it in my title, yeah. Simple and fun family. That is true, yeah. I am only a simple, yeah. Simple family only, yeah. Social ka. Wa na Lisa social, oy, mag special no, oy. No more special for Lisa, oy. Social no. Nothing that for me. Important only for me is the good health only, and the family is no problem. Always good health, yeah. And there is the problem is we have to solve, yeah. The that is, that is the true solve problems. After that is okay na, yeah. Normal mo na natay mga lamas kinabuhi everyone na ayun na di mawawa. Ina mawa everyone. Ina mawa na ayun na. Pareha tong my husband will go to his friend kasi birthday. Birthday last Saturday. I said come home dai ka, he will buy a gift kay birthday. I said come home dai kay no more eating, I'm very tired. I come home dai chat, no problem. I see only happy birthday. Okay. Oy, so 2 hours kadero wala tay kaon-kaon ini. Do not cook. Ready na taste, no more pause. Ready na the plates all in the table. Ready na. Pause only is wala, no. I'm very tired, everyone. I cannot do it all. I'm sorry, I said, yeah. He said to me, sorry, shots because I'm a little bit long. We do not eat. Mga ang taghangin ani. Pag, when he come home, haling na yun. Mihik na yun siya grill. Kuha din siya charcoal gas. He said to me, you are the one who make it, not me. So. Because imagine, every day I have to make. Monday bis Friday. Sometimes only Saturday. Sunday only has to make sometimes, yeah. Normally I have to do it at all, yeah. But when I'm very tired, everyone, I cannot do it, yeah. I cannot do it. Just only 5 minutes I'm playing in my cell phone. After that I watering plant, yeah, imagine. But when I said come home you direct kay Lisa, when he come home that I hello shots, and that hello shots means love. Wala na yung tingog Lisa na. No more na talking na, no more hello na, no. That means I'm angry na. He said to me, so what you have to eat? I do not open my mouth. That is my style, everyone. If I'm angry, I do not open my mouth na. Just only when I'm okay, I have to explain with him already. That is the lamas kinabuhi, everyone. Like that, yeah. Like that. No more big mouth here, everyone. That's only like that. It's not like in the Philippines, very big mouth. Yeah, here, no. I close my mouth. He knows already that I do not talk, no response. Angry na Lisa. He will do that self. He knows already what is his mistake, yeah. That is the lamas kinabuhi, everyone. That is, yeah. Mauli na everyone. Mauli na kaya explain naman na Lisa all. Always naman na sorry, everyone, sorry. He said na already, sorry siya, sorry. You said to me, just only quick. What is quick? Quick, but it's not quick, man. So, it's okay if I do not eat. Check the kids, yeah. It's not quick na 2 hours only talking without pause now. The kids, yeah. For me, okay, I do not eat, everyone. No problem because I sleep. No problem. We don't need a lot of pause when we sleep. No worry for me with that. The kiddos need pause, yeah. Always again kada sorry. Sorry siya, I have mistake, yeah. Always na sorry. Always na sorry. At least lamas kinabuhi lagi. Sorry always, yeah. Always in sorry, everyone, yeah. That is a problem, yeah. Always, yeah. We have to be accept, yeah. There is the mistake. There is a problem solving also, everyone, like that, yeah. That is lamas of lamas sa kinabuhi na lamas. Normal. But just only no more big mouth here, everyone. Only like that only, everyone. Not like in the Philippines, everyone. Labay kaliro, everyone. Not like here. Not like in the Philippines, yeah. Here is all is neutral, normal. It's no more like that, very big mouth, no. Kay respect each other, everyone, yeah. If they have a mistake, sorry only, sorry. Only like that, yeah. Ay. After that, it's getting okay na yan. I said, come home, Rere, kay sus, the kids. Mapas mo, nagway kaon, mga kidos, mo ingon pa na mga kidos, ma, I'm hungry na, ma. Eat the bread. Bread lang sa salami, dry meat, ya. Chicken. When I'm very tired, everyone, I cannot do it all. My body only one. It's not two. I'm not twin, yeah. I'm not twin. I'm getting twin if I go in the shadow, yeah. There is the Xerox of my body, yeah. Xerox copy the shadow. That's why. After that, when I do not talk na, sorry that always, yeah, sorry, I have mistake, yeah. Kapoy man na, imuha pa ng tubayan, high blood, tatanan, wa na. Hindi ilim labi na bahubog, na nila, kumutubay, na. Nuwi na. Tagdaan na siya, maulian na. Ako po, maulian na po ko. Lama sa mas kinabuhi ko na. Natural ra ba? Natural ra na. Saon. That is the style. The style, yeah. Mainom po na siya, everyone. Di man po na siya palabi, everyone. Just only naman na, small only. Small, lili na siya palabi. Small drinks, ano na siya. Not getting young, not getting old na. Enjoy na. 55 years old, my husband niya. 55. Dali ra ang time, everyone. Dali ra ang time. Very quick ra time. The time very quick, yeah. Shout out to my family, everybody, all over the world. All over this planet. Shout out. Ingat po kayo lahat. Take care all, everyone. Take care all. Kay kinahanglan ta mag-amping ta everybody kay we do not know. We do not know everyone, yeah. Take care always, everybody, yeah. I'm always take care everyone, yeah. Especially if I drive my scooter, everyone. I'm take care always, yeah. Before I drive, I give my sign cross, oy. Before I drive, yeah. You have to give at. You are not the owner of the road, many, yeah. So many, so many electro in the road, yeah. Very fast, everyone, very fast, electro, very fast, oy. Nah. Not only mine, there is the others as well. We are not the owner of the road, yeah. That's why you have to take care, yeah. And always with helmet, wearing helmet, yeah. That is a very important helmet, yeah. Kay kung pull down ka, dili mabang imong cope the head in the road. Dili mabang. Kay kuyaw na ang mabang na. That's why helmet should always a helmet. Diyos ko. How many minutes, everybody? 43 minutes, everyone. When I'm finished this one, when I finish the iron, everybody, I have to turn off that. Then I wait the kiddos, yeah. I cannot drive with that my electro scooter. I cannot drive now. My time is very. The time is 2 o'clock na. Oy, no more time na. In 1 hour, my son is here, yeah. My kiddos. In 1 hour. Paspasan listen, everyone. Kay after this one, I relax a little bit, everyone. Guys, I have to relax a little bit after I arrange this one, then I relax. That is my style. I cannot direct in the water because my hands is very hot, yeah. I relax, yeah. It's not good when you go direct in the water, no. Otherwise, you have like that. Ang saying, what's that, like that. I have to relax. Playing my cellphone, yeah. Playing, looking of my. I hope I have subscribe, like, and share, everyone. Shout out niyong tanan everyone. Guys, subscribe guys to my YouTube channel. Please. And also to the Facebook everyone. I have their page to the Facebook also. To my Facebook, yeah. Simple only everyone, yeah. I hope you subscribe. Very important everyone, you subscribe, then you can follow with me, and then you can look for the next vlog. Slowly lang tayo everyone, yeah. Slowly but surely. Tao man nga di man siling ang muhang dayon. Ay, mag slowly pa man ta, slowly and slowly. Slowly but surely. Diyos ko God. Sana naman. I hope everybody. Ay, Diyos ko. Even if they're tired, everyone, do it, yeah. Do it. Yeah. Do it, yeah. Ay, Diyos ko. Lisa, go, Lisa. In 1 hour, my kiddos is here in 1 hour, yeah. Tapos pasa ni kay abtans classmate to my daughter, yeah. They will come as well. Will come here. He said already, I like to come with you in your house, yeah. I said okay, Angela, because before they will come here, everyone, it's not allowed if you do not ask first. You have to ask information if it's okay or not, yeah. That is the style, everyone, yeah. And sometimes they will call me if it's okay or not, otherwise disturbing, yeah. That is the style, everyone. It's not good. It's not like in the Philippines, you go directly in the other house. No, here you have to be you ask first even it's okay or not, otherwise it's disturbing, yeah. They will ask first before they will go. That is the style here, yeah. Then after lunch, so my daughter asking with me, Mama, it's okay, my colleague will come here later, Mama, in the afternoon after the school. I said, yeah. That is like that, everyone. You cannot go direct without asking, yeah. Because if they doesn't ask, and then I don't know, then it's the kiosk, the bed, the simmer, the room. You have to be arranged, yeah, always, yeah. Tokar por kung ilong, everyone, excuses, yeah. My nose, yeah. Very hot, mo da aircon. Very hot, mo da ayon everybody, ay. Kayo na lang ang sumabot sa akin, ay. Kayo na lang everyone, oy. Guys, kayo na lang sabot sa akin, guys. Subscribe, guys. Para umabot po tayo ng 1 million, guys. Ay! Wala pa si Lisa, guys. Wala pa. Wala pa. Init mo, everyone. Oy, very hot. Ayon, everyone. Oy. Guys, very hot. Ayon, everybody. Sorry lang if I said everyone, ha, kay. If I said everyone, I have to say everyone because my son said, Ma, what are you doing, Ma? Why you always calling for the guys, Ma? You call only for the boys, Ma. Now I will change everyone. Everyone, I said, na, everyone. My husband said, oh, Shat, you have to take care. You don't have to call always for the guys. The guys that is the man, Shat. You call, hello, guys. I said, in the Philippines is all is that all, allgemein, all. My husband and my son said, you only calling of the boys, Duma, the guys. Guys, it's all together at Alex on Papi. Doesn't understand man my son, my husband. Oy, that's why I said everyone. Ah, Diyos ko, God, saon man ako mga sakop o doesn't understand. Ay, guys, maguna is normal muna, guys. So, that's why I said everyone, because my son, my husband said, you don't have to call shots with the man. You call only the guys, that is the boys. What? That is not only the boys. Oy, the guys is that is in the Philippines is they will call hi guys like that, hello guys like that. You think about that. I'm calling of the boys. No, that's why I said now everyone I said na everyone. Whew, Diyos ko God. Yeah, I said now everyone na oy kay sus unsa man akong mga sakop na. Laki naman akong gitawag do. It's not mga laki ko na oy. Now everyone I said na everyone. It's not hello guys, hello everybody, hello guys. Guys, ma is the boys. Think about boys, yeah. I know, but in the Philippines, guys, muna it's okay. No problem. Saon man na. Saon man ang akong mga sakop, everyone, oy. Everyone, I change na everyone. It's not the guys na, no. Kaya masuko akong banag, akong anak. Guys, you have to take care siya to call only the guys. The boys only you call. Saba diha, oy. Unsa man ka diha, oy. Mama, you have to take care, ma. That is not, I said, guys, it's all together that. I said, they think about everyone is different, yeah, different. It's not na, no. I said, that's why I said, hello everyone. Everyone, I said na, masuko akong banag, akong anak, I said, hello guys. Sometimes I will say guys, sometimes. Kay, sus, Diyos ko. Before matug akong anak, before mo sleep, mulok na akong anak YouTube na mother, looking, watching that, yeah. They said, Mama, you don't have to tell always guys. You call only the boys. I said, what? That is all together. Guys, is normal, normal. In the Philippines, it's normal, guys. You have to tell, hello guys. Like that. You think about when I call only for the boys. No, that is not true. No. Now I said everyone. Kay when I said guys, angry. Ay, Diyos ko, God help me, God. Diyos ko, sus Ginoo, walay alam. All together no, guys. Sus, saon man akong anak ko, akong husband, oy. Doesn't understand. He doesn't understand. They understand that slowly everyone. Slowly na understand with me. I explained already. I explained that no more Facebook, no more messenger. That doesn't, no. Just only me. That's why if I have a problem, maybe this Lisa kamao naman ahat ya. Especially is dili Bisaya, dili English, no. German ya. Deutsch kaya, Deutsch. Nakat-on na naman taan ni imbis watay alam ya. Sos, Diyos ko, God. That's why I said to the above, help me always, God. Nobody can help me, God, no. Yeah, if I have problem, I said to my husband, Chat, you have to help me. What's that? No, I don't have Facebook. I don't have a messenger. WhatsApp only have, WhatsApp only that, yeah. Batoy, tabahoan eh. Makatuon na naman tayo bisita, kamao, guys. Ara. Angry, I said, guys, angry. That's why I will change the everyone, everyone. What? I do not call for the boys, oy. Guys, it's all together. I see the Philippines normal that guys. Hello guys. Like that. Ay ta. Gilain man nila og mine everyone. Nga ako everyone is the friendly man oy. Wala man na ako ng mga binuang oy. To be a friendly only me is not ako dili ko pwede ng mga binuang. Kay I will trust to the above ya. Above. Yeah, this is my son said you always guys mama you always call the boys ma. Saba diha. Shout out to the guys, shout out. Guys, everyone. Shout out to all of you everybody. I'm sorry I said na lang hello everyone. Everyone I see na kay saon my son and my husband said you don't have to see guys. Yeah, the guys is the boys. You call only the boy to the boys. I said, how what? That is not no. That is not true. In the Philippines is like that, like that. Just only that guys, I said, yeah, it's normal. But the guys with me now, sometimes only is not always, yeah. Just only the hello everyone I will tell. Hello everyone, like that now. It's not hello guys, you know. My son and my husband said, don't go to the boys, yeah. That is not true na. Boys and I call, no. Everyone I said na kay reklamo na si sir o si sir, duha ka sir. To sir is reklamo ya. No choice, Lisa, no. I will change that hello everyone, hello everyone. Sometimes kanang hello guys, yeah, sometimes. Ay, Diyos ko. Normal mo ko na, oy. Normal mo ko na, I have to say hello guys. I call the boys, no, it's not true. I don't call for the boys, no. Yes, only I have to say hello. Hello guys, hello everyone. Hello everybody. Like that. Yeah. He said to me, you call only the boys, manner only you call it, the mans. The manner, the boys, yeah. I said, it's not true. Just only I will say that all gemein is all zusammen, all together. I said all together, hello guys. That is normal in the Pinas, yeah. Hello guys, yeah. But he said, you call only for the boys, he said. Now I said now, hello everyone. Sana all is okay. I hope all body is okay, yeah. Ay, just go God help me always God. Saon na. You have to stop to see guys, mama. Saba, oy. Alex, that is, I do not call to mother. Alex, just only that Alex is the, all together is the guys, Alex. That is normal, Pinas, Alex, yeah. Stop to see guys, mama. Stop. You call only for the boys, yeah. I see that is not true. That is not true. It's not true that I will call only for the boys, no. Why I have to call for the boys? I have already boys, yeah. You need another boys, no? Not allowed na. Ay, Diyos ko, God. That's why I said everyone, sorry everyone. I said only hello everyone. Hello everybody. It's not hello guys, no. I don't sometimes only when I go out in my mouth sometimes, yeah. Sometimes na Lisa. Likramo si sir. To sir likramo to. You don't have to call always hello guys. You call only the boys ma. I said I do not call to the manner boys guys is all together managod all together. That is normal in Pinas and Philippines. It's all together. That's why I see now, hello everyone. Hello everyone. I see now, hello everyone. Yeah. I do not say the hello guys. Yeah. Sometimes only, sometimes it go out in my mouth. Yeah. Sometimes yeah. Ay, naku buhay. Ay, I will smiling in my life. I will smiling yeah. Saon man two guys with me is that reklamo man guys is a you call only the boys mama that is not good. Don't call to the boys to the I said no, that is not true. Guys, it's all together for me. It's not that I don't have a mistake of that no. It's only that like that. That's why I said hello everybody. Hello everyone. Yeah, like that na I will change na. I will change in everyone yeah. Reklamo ag duha ka kuan ako ika ma two guys with me reklamo. Sa man reklamo man. So guys, guys na pud lista dili na to matag na maka kuan tao guys oy. Di na to malitok mo sa tong mouth. So, penito, I have to arrange. I arrange everybody. After the arrange everybody, I have to relax for freeing everybody. That my hands is not hot. Because I have to make later a watering plant. Yeah. Not easy life boy. Hello everybody na. It's not guys na. Hello everybody. Saon man reklamo si sir. That is not true only na. This one I have to bring to the other side. Everyone ay later. Make it only this one already. I put only here in the room. Everyone put here. Because I have to bring that later there. Ay, grabe. This one I have to arrange this one in the cabinet. That is the cover of the foam. The cover of the bed. I do not make iron cover bed everyone ay. Tired na Lisa ay. More and more pin. More pin. Ay, Diyos ko saon man gilain mapagsabot ang guys ni mother. Ang guys ra ba diri everyone sa kanding. Kanding ya, guest ya. Gilain pagsabot ni sir nga normal ra mo na Lisa oy. Wait everyone. Ilain pagsabot ambot puro pareha silang duha. It's the same. It's the same my husband or my son the same. Saon man eh. I have to arrange everybody oy. I arrange quick. The brief and the sack of my son yeah. I put here. Wait guys. Kay di man matuyo ko mo ingon ta guys. Di na matuyo eh. Mugawas mo sa ato ang bunganga. Mugawa sa bunganga ni Lisa ng guys jud sa naanad Lisa. Naanad si hello guys ya. This one na lang. This one. I have to put in the other room everyone ha. Wait everyone. Ay, likramo akong two guys ya. Likramo sila. Kay lalaki ra kung akong gitawag. Oh, lalaki ba na all together mo ng guys ya. I put this one here ya. Later I put this on the other side. Later ya. Kay I wanna make it arrange everyone. I arrange this one there to the other side ya. Put this one the cabinet everyone, ha? Wait guys. Nah guys, di man yung matuyo ni Lisa nang ingon guys. Normal naman yun ako doy. Normal. Lain magsabot si sir o si sir. Duha ka sir lain ang pagsabot ya. Lain ang sabot ya. Akoy, wala. Si guys nahug na. Nahulog na. Kuya paantuson pa tayo. Okay na everyone, I'm finished now. I'm finito. Asam tong cover ani. Where is the cover oy? Ay. Diyos ko. Thank you Lord for the finish Lord. Now spray again for the laundry everyone. Soon is no more laundry na laundry. Magwashing ang pulisa soon ya. We have to go down everyone. I wait to my kiddos is coming. Kiddos ya. Coming. Is coming na kay cannot go inside when is the no more K. So we go down everybody. We have to go down and we have to enjoy it. Yeah. You have to make it sure that is neat not ay. Power bank everyone, sorry. So sorry. My power bank is the one. Guys, like that, I have to charge my power bank. I have to charge. Uy, aguroy, wait sa. I do not know this one, matik up niya this one, wait. Naputol ra ba? I have to open sa everyone ha, the window. The window, I have to open ya. Ay, Diyos ko. Diyos ko. Patawarin mo ako. So, it's time to drink everyone. Mag-drink sa ta everybody. Ay, sos Diyos ko. Mag-drink sa ta. Kay mo babay na ko everyone. Kay mag-ready ko sa I have to make ready the evening dinner. Tired everyone. Ay, tired ya. Tired sila sa everybody. Diyos ko. So, sa itong nasi, kapuya, nasi. Nahog ang power bank, everyone. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's still alive. It's still okay. It's still okay, everyone. Yeah. Ay, God, life. Life is life, yeah. Not easy life, please, everyone, yeah. Gilok ka ilong, everyone. Gilok. Ay. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Ay, God. Thank you, Lord. I'm finished iron, Lord. Thank you. Thank you ng marami because you give me a lot of, you give me a power, Lord. Give me a power of love, yeah. Thank you ng very much ng marami, yeah. Needs a power is every day, yeah. Every day. Cheers, everyone. I forgot to put the cheers, yeah. Cheers. Thirsty, yeah. Thirsty. Very hot outside, everyone. Oh, very hot, yeah. I don't know how much this one, everyone. My teeth, yeah. I don't know. The dentist will make nicely my teeth, yeah. I don't know how much the bill is coming, yeah. I don't know. 100% the bill is coming, yeah. 100%, yeah. I'm sure, yeah. I don't know how much. I hope it's not so mahal. Oy, grabe here. Very 2 year here. Oy, very mahal here. Very mahal. Very expensive hair is mahal, yeah. Expensive, yeah. My bill is coming. Bill, my husband also is coming also na. Double bill we have na. Double bill. The bills is coming, yeah. Looking outside, everyone, yeah. My daughter and my son is coming soon, yeah. 2:30 now, 30 minutes is here na, 30 minutes. Shout out to everybody, to my whole family. Take care all of you, everyone. Amping ang tanan. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Facebook. Please follow me, like and share. Subscribe everyone, please. That is very important, everyone. Para that you are updated for the next vlog. Relax, Lisa, a little bit, everyone. Then I have to prepare the table. I have to prepare the salad for the dinner. I have to make a sausage. My son said sausage. He doesn't like dorade. Just only me and my daughter like. For me, every day is fish is okay. No problem. I love it. I like it, yeah. I like it, yeah. Seafood, yeah. Seafood, I like. But my son that is my problem, yeah. Doesn't like to eat seafood, yeah. That is a problem. Eat only a little bit, only small. For me, is no, I do not surrender about seafood, about the fish or any kind of fish I will eat, yeah, no problem. It's getting bitter, my teeth, everyone, oh. I'm not shy na everybody, oh, that. It's getting now good, yeah. It's good. I'm very happy, but I don't know how much the bill. The bill is coming, everyone. Oh, I'm sure I'm very kaput na, I'm very tired of the bill, yeah. I don't like to have a bill, but We have to be. We have to pay. Otherwise, the police will come with you in your house if you do not pay. That is the style. We have to pay every month. Bills every month. Yeah, we have to pay. If you do not pay, your bills is they doesn't stop. Always put in a mailbox. They will send you. Yeah, until pull your mailbox. Yeah. If you are late paying here, you have a charge, a little bit charge. Yeah. Penalty means, yeah, that means penalty. If you are late paying, yeah, you have penalty. Your salary is getting empty, no more. That's why when it's time for paying every month, you have to pay, because if you will pay that over 1 month, you have a charge. They will give you a penalty. Yeah. That is the style here. Yeah. Penalty. Just only 30 days they will give with you. When it's more, you have penalty na. That is the style. You have to be paying the bills. Is no more keeping the bills na. You don't have to keep bills. You have to be pay. Ay, musmile lang tayo ni everyone. Ikatawa ng Lisa May. Tas Lisa kadaog pagluto. Kay, basta. Everybody is happy, Jot. Saon, mas Lisa. If I go to the machine for a controller, my luto, then I buy, they will say to me, man, Giwin, sinik. Kapaita, everyone. My goodness, I do not win, she said, yeah. I said, PT controller, may niluto, biti, may number. Ik hoop ik heb look. I said, okay, no controller. I said, ja, Giwin, sinik. Ik moest in bijter maken, ja. Bijter, die zahlen, ja. Die number, ja. The same number, I said. I will buy again. Every Friday, I have to control my lutos. No more number. No more. I said to me last week. Last 2 weeks. You said to me 12 franc. I win 12. Just only 12. Only 12 I can buy only for my luto again. Just only that. My God, every week I have to buy one time, not 2 times, no. I pay only 1 time, only for once a week only I pay. Sometimes I ipalit every day, no way. Just only once a week I have, not double. Better I win. I do not win for everyone. The important, everyone, you subscribe, everyone. The important, guys, if you are subscribing with me. That is very important. You subscribes, that we can help, yeah. Not only for me, yeah. Not only. You can help the whole family and the others, yeah. If I have, I don't have. If I have everyone, I'll go roy, I cannot say no, Help mga ni kuslaing tawo ako apang mga kaliwat nga parihag dugo. Wala pa, zero pa li sa balance ya. Ay, Diyos ko God. Kaya, subscribe sa po kayo everybody. Please subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. Masuko. Angry, husband with me, angry. Angry, hasta may son. So, you don't have to call always, guys, ma. I said the guys was all together, I said. That is not only I will call to the boys, no. You call only to the boys, mama. That is not true, ma. You have to be take care. Yeah, my husband also said, hey, Shots, you don't have to call always like that. Hey, guys, that you call only for the boys. I said, no, that is not true. Boys, I said, guys is all together. That is the style of Philippines. Hello, guys. My husband. Likramo sila duha. Sa ano my husband reklamo, kinsa pa may akong tawgon nga, wala naman, kinsa, tuor boy sila og puro lalaki akong gitawag, is not oy. Is not only manner oy. Guys, it's all mine all together, I said. You have to say hello guys. Not only the boys, I have to say, no, that is not true. Guys is all together. Doesn't understand my two manner, two guys. My two boys here, they doesn't understand what is that, what I mean. What I mean siya. The means is hello guys, is all together. Allgemein, I said. Doesn't understand everyone, yeah. That's why I will change now. Hello everyone. Hello everybody. Sometimes I said hello guys, but I do not care my husband or my son. I have sometimes in my mouth like that, yeah. No? Ay. Bahala mo, I do not care. Kaya, go po ako, guys. Go. What I said to my mouth, go, no problem. I do not care. No problem, yeah. They understand to me. I explained already. What's that, what that's mean. The means is, guys, is all together. I said, hello, guys, like that. Hello. What chat? You said only guys, that you call only for the boys? That is not good chat. You have to take care. Oh. Saba diha, parehal mo duha. Bahala mo diha, oy. Ay si bahala mo diha, kay gugugulisa. Ay, don't be angry. Be happy ta always, oy, kay na. Angry always, getting hit. The head getting white. Na, you have to be, take care. Joke ra everyone, oy. Just only I will, my mind, refreshing mind, I will shout out for everybody that means I'm happy and you're happy as well. That's why follow me. Follow me to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. You have to follow me. That you are updated for the next everyone. Sorry na lang I said to my husband if I said sometimes, guys, because that is and my mouth is like that already. Yeah. It's like that. Like that, yeah. That is not only for friend only. It's not for boys I call, no. Not only. Paita kung anak ko akong bana. Hello guys, you don't talk to si guys, yeah, guys, because you call only to the boys. It's not true. Ay, kasabot na sila everyone. Sabot na everyone kay di pa kasabot kayo kay bag-o pa mga sugod na. Sabot na madugay. Mao na ray akong expression and my mouth. That is my expression in my mouth. Refreshing mind, go out in the mouth. Yeah, like that only. Yeah. Hi! Shout out to everybody. I hope that you will be okay. Me, I'm okay here. Please subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. Now, everyone, I have to say bye-bye. I have to charge. My handy is lubat. Nalubat na everybody. Mukalit yan ka-black mga taon of everyone. Yeah. I have to charge. After in the charge, everyone, I have to make in the table. I have to clean table. I have to make ready. I have to all in the house. I have to do it. Yeah. I have to do it, everyone. Sorry when I said always everyone. I hope you understand, everyone. I wanna see now everyone. Kay my husband and my son said, stop to see guys, mama, stop. Saon na. Sometimes I will say put out in my mouth, there's no problem, yeah. Di na tinuod nga lalaki ra kung gitawag no eh. That is not true. All together that is normal na Philippines. Hello guys, like that oh, no problem. What is the problem of that? Yeah. He doesn't understand. No more understand. I don't know. Lisa only understand. Yeah. So, magbababay na po ako everyone. I wanna see the bye-bye everybody and shout out to all of you. You have to take everyone. Take care all of you and see you for the next vlog. And don't forget, yeah. You know already what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye everyone. Because I have to do now my job here in the house. Everyone continue. Lisa is continue, yeah. Bye bye everybody. See you for the next vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to the Facebook page. Bye bye. See you next vlog. Take care all of you. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.